Up for sale, I got a 1966 Corvette Coupe, finished in yellow with black interior. It is a two-owner California black plate car, all of its life. Currently powered by a 350 crate motor with it's a highly factory option Corvette. Power steering, power disc brakes, factory air conditioning, power antenna, power windows, and leather interior. Like I said, it's a two-owner California car, all its life. The only reason it's out of California is because I bought it. Title back to 72. Previous owner since 68. No, yes, 68, I was right. Yes, California black plates are with it. I'm going to walk around and tell you about the car. Show you some of the flaws on the car. And yeah, so if you enjoyed the video, leave a like please. Subscribe to the channel. I appreciate it very much so. And here we go. So like I said, two-owner, 66 Corvette, California car, all its life. Never seen salt or snow till today. Luckily, it's dry outside. At least the dry on the streets. I will continue to not see anything. Has good chrome. It's starting to get a little bit of that smoke on there, but it's not bad at all. It still looks great. A little crack in the paint right here, and a chip right there. Very nice paint. It looks very nice. It has a very bright shine to it. Show you some more of the flaws as I walk around. So like I said, it has factory air conditioning, so it has the vent on the dash above the center console. A couple stress cracks in the paint right here, very susceptible to that on Corvettes, as well as these two right there. Very straight, has nice gaps all the way around. What looks to be a brand new door panel and a nice condition door panel. My dad just threw a snowball at me. Get out of here, Dad. Two-owner California car. No salt, no snow. Don't throw it at me. Very nice bird cage. Nice painted door jamb. Very nice dash. There you go. You see the factory AC console. Power windows that do work. Yep. Horn that works. Crack on the steering wheel makes me feel to believe that it is original. Has an upgraded, oh, my phone just fell out. Upgraded stereo. And two speakers in the back. Nice rear compartment. Not faded. The carpet is not faded. The seats, as well as this door panel, look to be brand new. Seat belts, automatic, 350 crate motor. I don't know if I said that. With an automatic. There is a crack on that dash pad. I will point to that when I get to that. Nice trim. We can close the door all the way. You try to be delicate and it doesn't work. You be over delicate, you try and man it and it breaks. I'm sure you all have experienced that. Again, nice chrome, good trim, California black plate. California black plate was qualified for that, having your car in California between like 73 and another date, and stays with the car all of its life while it's there. Two small cracks. Did I miss anything? Making a joke with my dad? No. It is an original silver car, which is like a 986 trim code, if I'm not mistaken. Again, nice. And the crack in the dash pad is here. You can see it like there. A little crack right there by the handle. Headlights work. Touch up right there. Real straight body. So like I said, 66 Corvette, 2-owner, California black plate car, owned in California all its life. 350 crate motor, automatic, power steering, power disc brakes, power windows, factory air conditioning, power antenna. Further interior. It'll be up for sale later today, if not tomorrow. And yes, so again, thanks for watching, and subscribe to the channel. Like the video if you enjoyed it. It helps me out. And stay tuned. I have other cars coming that I'm going to get on in the next couple of weeks. Thank you. Oh, now the tag came off. Okay. That's shitty.